Judy Myrose, and I'm a librarian at the State College of Florida. Today we'll explore some of the resources available at the SCF Library and how you can access them. We'll also review library records and discuss how they can assist you in selecting and finding information for your assignments. Lastly, we'll take a brief look at scholarly articles. Let's begin by looking at a record in the SCF Library database, sometimes called the Library Catalog. So what is a library database? Well, essentially, it's a collection of records that describe the physical and online materials the library owns or subscribes to. You can also use the records to help you identify useful resources, access the full text of a physical or electronic item, and find information when you're creating a citation. Right now, this is how the library database looks, but just so you know, the way it looks will be changing soon. The records in the database will lead you to books, magazines, newspapers, scholarly journals, and more. Records will also lead you to online versions. The online versions of the book, magazine, newspaper, and scholarly journal look similar, but work differently. Let's look at the full details for their print book titled 3D Printing for Dummies. The authors are Richard Horn and Kalani Kirk-Hausman, and it was published in 2017. We know it's a print book because the Available At section indicates it's located on the second floor of the Bradenton Library. The series of letters and numbers at the end of the entry are called the call number, which tells us its exact location on the shelf. This information helps us find the book in the library. At the bottom of the record, we can find additional details about the book, including a description. This information can help us decide if this resource would be useful. The magazine, newspaper, and scholarly journal we looked at earlier are called periodicals because they are published on a consistent basis like daily, weekly, monthly, or quarterly. Journal articles are typically published on a monthly or quarterly basis. Scholarly articles tend to take longer to publish due to the peer review process, where other experts evaluate and critique the article. Now let's look at a scholarly article. Our article is "The Cost of Financing Education. Can Student Debt Hinder Entrepreneurship?" How can you tell if this article is scholarly? Scholarly articles are written by experts with relevant qualification and published in academic journals. These articles tend to be longer, use specialized language, present original research, and undergo peer review. They commonly include sections such as an abstract, introduction, methodology, results, conclusion, and a detailed bibliography. That concludes our discussion of types of library resources, library records, and scholarly articles. Thank you for watching. If you need assistance, feel free to contact us via our Ask a Librarian service.